What if I told you your lupin plant could grow 5 times faster with just a few simple tricks most gardeners never use? If your lupins are slow, weak, or not blooming the way you expected, you're probably missing these hidden secrets. Today, I'll reveal 7 powerful tricks that can completely transform your lupin growth. Lupins are stunning plants with tall, colorful flower spikes, but they can be tricky to grow if you don't understand their needs. The good news: once you know these techniques, you'll see faster growth, stronger roots, and bigger blooms. Let's jump right in. Trick number 1. Scarify seeds before planting. Lupin seeds have a hard outer shell which slows down germination. Here's the trick. Lightly scratch the seed surface using sandpaper or soak them in warm water for 12-24 hours. This allows water to enter faster, leading to quicker sprouting and stronger seedlings. Trick number 2. Give them full sun. Lupins love sunlight. Plant them in a spot where they get at least 6-8 hours of direct sun daily. More sunlight means more energy, which leads to faster growth and more flowers. Trick number 3. Use poor but well-drained soil. This might surprise you. Lupins actually grow better in poor soil than rich soil. Why? Because they fix their own nitrogen. Important: make sure the soil is well draining. They do not like wet roots. Add sand or gravel if your soil is heavy. Trick number 4. Water deep but not often. Overwatering is one of the biggest mistakes. Instead, water deeply once or twice a week. This encourages roots to grow deeper, making the plant stronger and faster growing. Trick number 5. Inoculate with rhizobium bacteria. This is a hidden pro trick most beginners don't know. Lupins work with beneficial bacteria called rhizobium. You can buy inoculant powder and coat your seeds before planting. This boosts nitrogen fixation and leads to explosive growth. Trick number 6. Deadhead for continuous growth. Once flowers start fading, cut them off. This is called deadheading. It redirects energy back into growth and encourages more blooms and faster development. Trick number 7. Protect from strong wind. Lupins grow tall, which makes them vulnerable. Strong wind can slow growth or damage stems. Solution: plant near a wall, fence, or use light support stakes. This keeps your plant stable and helps it grow faster and healthier. Bonus tip: mulch lightly around the base. It keeps moisture balanced and protects roots, but don't overdo it. Now you know the 7 hidden tricks to grow lupins faster than ever before. Try these methods and you'll notice a huge difference in just a few weeks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more powerful gardening tips. And tell me in the comments, which trick are you going to try first?